This is the main database file for Microsoft Exchange. You cannot just open it in Outlook. It's a server-level file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is how to extract mail from it. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single EDB file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. The EDB file type is treated as part of the database file group. The data stream is defined entirely by the Exchange InFileion Store Database format. The EDB file is a highly proprietary database file used by Microsoft Exchange Server. It contains the entire mailbox data for an organization, including emails, calendars, and contacts. Its sole purpose is serving as the primary storage mechanism for the Exchange mail system. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and designed for high availability server environments. The file's integrity relies on the Extensible Storage Engine, ESE, which prevents corruption. Accessing this file requires specialized server tools or third-party recovery software. It is unopenable by standard desktop database applications. The most trusted opener for the EDB file is consistently Microsoft Exchange Server from Microsoft Corporation. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows offers minimal insight into records, so you'll need a compatible DB tool to read them. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the EDB file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Exchange Server first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your EDB file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, check JET error code. Check the ESE or JET error message to determine if the database corruption is physical or logical before attempting a fix. Next, run ESEUTIL Defragmentation. If the issue is database size, use the ESEUTIL D tool via command prompt to defragment the database file and reduce its size. Finally, run ESEUTIL Hard Repair. For severe corruption, use the ESEUTIL P-switch for hard recovery, followed by ESEUTIL D for defragmentation and EisentEG for index repair. When we've confirmed your installed apps can't open the file, the next step is to use the one tool most likely to work: a universal file viewer. It is designed for challenging EDB formats and worth a try. When even advanced utilities can't handle the EDB file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We solved that issue quickly. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.